Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about forecasting weather. And when you forecast, it means that you're going to say that something will happen by using what you already know and the information that you have about the weather. Over here, you're going to see Victor, Jose, and Nick, and they're trying to figure out what does it mean to forecast weather. And I want you to listen to what they each say and then tell me who you think has the best idea, or tell a friend or whoever's there with you. Victor is describing the weather that will happen next year. Jose is describing what the weather will be like tomorrow. And Nick is describing what the weather is like right now. So take a second and talk to whoever's there with you about what you think is the best idea. On this slide, I want you to first click over here on the link to watch a quick video about a thunderstorm. You're just going to watch and think about what you could do to stay safe in a thunderstorm. And then also think about what you might wonder about thunderstorms. Now that you've watched the video, you've got some ideas in your head. So you can go ahead and write down what you could do to prepare and stay safe for a storm. Maybe you want to just take shelter and make sure that you're not out there so it's not too dangerous. And then also, what does the weather forecast down here where it says essential question tell us about severe weather? Remember, severe means really, really dangerous. Also, over here, I wonder how people can predict the severe weather. How do meteorologists or weather forecasters know when it's a tornado or thunder and lightning or a hurricane? I wonder about that too. Now I want you to make a prediction. Remember, when we make a prediction, we're thinking about what might happen. We don't know for sure, so I want you to take a minute and draw a picture of what you think it might be like tomorrow. I predict the weather will be rainy, so I drew a picture of some clouds, and if you notice right here, I'm holding an umbrella. Well, that's not me, but I'm holding an umbrella to make sure that I don't get wet. I gave you some options over here to help you out in case you couldn't think of a way to draw your picture. We've got the sun, partly cloudy with the sun and the clouds. We've got clouds over here, just clouds with rain, and then snow, and then thunder and lightning. So take a little while and draw a picture of what you think the weather will be like tomorrow.